Today we're going to look into the TCL mini LEDs versus Samsung OLED TVs. So is the OLED still worth the premium? Let's find out. So you have got the Samsung OLED TVs here, but which have premium displays using self-lit pixels. So every pixel turns on and off individually, giving you perfect black and incredible contrast. But on the other hand, here the TCL mini LEDs, instead of self-lit pixels, it uses thousands of tiny backlights behind the screen with advanced local dimming. So, in simple terms, the OLED focuses on cinematic perfection and mini LEDs focuses on brightness, value, and all-round performance. So, honestly, the gap between them is smaller than ever. So, the pros of these Samsung OLEDs is that this is still the OLED's superpower. The dark scenes look insanely clean with zero blooming, and they have better viewing angles and also faster pixel response, like gaming feels ultra smooth as well. And they have premium designs, like OLED TVs are ridiculously thin and ultra, and they look ultra high end. Okay, they look pretty cool the design wise. On the downside here, the Samsung OLEDs, if you look at the price, like that's the biggest problem because they are a bit expensive. And also you have the bright room performance, like OLEDs looks amazing in dark rooms, but in super bright environments it might be a little bit of issue for you. But when you compare it with TCL here, TCL has inside like brightness, like they have inside brightness, and they have much better value, and they have surprisingly close picture quality. But on the downside here, on mini LEDs, the blooming still exists because it still relies on backlighting, so it still exists. So which means OLED still wins here, and also the processing is always as refined as the OLEDs. Okay, so they have improved a lot, but still they are a bit behind the Samsung's OLED. So if you're a movie persons, Samsung OLED, it's still worth it, because if you care more about the contrast, the deep blacks and cinematic immersions. But if you're a gamer, it depends. Competitive gamers, sometimes they like TCL's brightness and value, so it depends. But if you're just like a casual viewer or a family household, then the TCL mini LED makes more sense for you, because you will save money and you get a brighter TV and still enjoy the fantastic picture quality.